Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model a very simple and cute character, very basic, simple and cute character in Blender, cartoon character. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is our cute cartoon character, model in Blender. This is very simple and cute character, model in Blender, cartoon character. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.